I thank the chair and welcome to our witnesses. I wish you weren't here, but you are here. You're here because the administration will not give us the information we need to educate our constituents about Obamacare and the rollout of Healthcare.gov. I want to talk about all of you a question about the back end and the money you're supposed to be getting from the exchange of the information. In your experiences, is it working? Mr. Pratt, the back end working? You getting what you need from Healthcare.gov?
Representative, throughout the open enrollment period, we worked very closely to develop workarounds, manual processes, and other things that were necessary to make the system work better. It's my understanding that while the back-end problems have improved, some remain. Workarounds.
You guys stepped up to the plate to work around the disaster of the healthcare exchange rollout. Is that what you're trying to say? I mean, you guys took it upon yourself instead of depending on what they gather information. You're dependent upon them. And it's sort of trickling out, just coming slowly, not what you need. Is that what you're saying? You guys stepped around to make that happen?
Representative, I think what I would say is that we kept the interests of our members squarely in mind in terms of minimizing disruption for them, and our members did what was necessary to make sure that it was as smooth as it possibly could be.
Mr. Coyne?
I would agree with Mr. Pratt. There are still back-end issues to be worked through, but that we are working with CMS on those. CMS has called a meeting of health insurers in the federal marketplace on May 20th to consider some of those back-end issues and try and find solutions to them.
And I hope you keep us abreast of what that meeting puts forth. Give us that information because we're not getting from the Obama administration. Mr. Wingle.
We've worked closely to share our concerns about technical needs and help work with the industry, through our trade association with colleagues to recommend prioritization on fixes for back-end issues, whether they're data cleanup issues or other issues related to the back end of the exchange.
Mr. Vonco?
There are certainly more manual processes than we anticipated prior to the exchanges launching. I'd say there have been improvements in some areas. The one back-end issue that we're most focused on is the APTC payments coming from CMS to us as a carrier. That's a manual process today. We have been getting the payments we've been requesting, though, as it relates to APTC.
Manual process. 21st century manual process. Mr. Rogers?
We're continuing to work with the enrollment process to make sure that any of the members that have selected one of our 5 Blue Cross and Blue Shield plans get the information they need from us and ultimately the care they need.
Mr. Mathis?
Yes, we've seen significant improvement, but we still have a number of opportunities for improvement as we move through the remainder of this year.
And one final question for all the panelists. Is the website fixed? Mr. Pratt, if it's not fixed, when will it be fixed?
Representative, I don't work in the operations area. I think if the back-end issues are considered part of the website, I would suggest that there are still issues outstanding that we're working on.
Not fixed. Mr. Coyne?
There are still issues on the back end to be worked.
Another one not fixed. Mr. Wingle?
There's still work to be done.
Not fixed. Mr. Vonco?
I can't comment on the end-to-end process. I can only comment on the component when CMS sends us enrollment transactions, and there's still work to do before that's 100%.
Not fixed. Mr. Rogers?
Yes, we're still working with the files that we get, and I think there could be some improvement.
Still not fixed. Mr. Mathis?
Yes, echo my colleagues' statements. We still have opportunities for improvement.
6 for 6, all not fixed. Mr. Chairman, I yield back down to my time.